What? How? Who do you work for?
Okay, ready? Everyone needs to do this right now. Go into your Snapchat memories and go like this really, really fast, and then click one, and then whatever it is, you have to show it.
Look behind you.
Oh my God. What you guys say?
Every bitch right now that's like, I want to go to the outside, I hate on the inside. What the fuck you're going to do outside? You'll still be depressed in an Olive Garden. Shut up.
McDonald's! What is it? What do you put on these? Correct! Explain what it is, because there was no reason!
Accidentally clogged my boyfriend's toilet, so I took the poop out and put it in his cat's litter box. Then he asked if I pooped in it. I said no, but he said his cat has been dead for a week. Please pick me up.
Hey. Yo. Yo. Take your foot out your mouth, dog. Take your foot out your mouth, man.
You can't even fix your... Hey. Yeah.
That's pretty bad. Please stop. Please stop. This shit is terrible. Come on. Come on. You have other people in the house, you know.
What are you doing?
Huh? I made water for you. Here you go, Mom.
What do you mean?
Some water for you.
Water?
Water.
So what the hell are you mixing?
Nothing.
Why you put the spoon in?
To mix the water.
Mix water what?
Filter it.
How you filter it? What the hell?
I just... See...
What you put in the water?
Nothing.
You drink it. You drink it first.
Me
yeah,
drink?
you drink it first. You drink it first.
Sure, I'll drink it.
I'm sorry. You tried to be nice to me. I'm sorry. I drank it, okay?
Bro, what is this new filter? Bro, why is they fuck?
You either, so we're gonna hand you off to the skinny girls. Sorry, girls.
As two members of the skinny girl community, we're gonna politely decline this offer.
We'd like to pass you on to the gay dudes.
As a member of the gay dudes community, we don't want you either. So we're just gonna pass you on into the trash. Bye.
As a member of the trash community, we're gonna pass you on to the muscular girls. Have fun with that.
No. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
Here's me trying to jump without bending my knees. I'll turn this way so you can see.
pedal and you get down the bowl. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light. Till the whiz ain't.
This is literally a Big Mac truck. This is literally, park that Big Mac truck. Right in his little garage. Garage.
Why do I rarely get hurt whenever I fall? Here's a video of my movement disorder slowly taking me down and what I would call falling. It's like falling in slow motion. Different muscle groups slowly turn off, while some limbs kind of work. Right here, my neck muscles turn off and I'm trying to prop my head up. End up losing my balance and falling over.
What's your name?
Jasmine.
All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate yourself?
A 12.
12.
What you mean, a 12?
On a scale of 1 to 10?
I'm a 12.
4?
12.
4.5?
12. 12.
Cap. All right, what's your name? Josh. All right, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate yourself?
Shit, I'm like a 10 for real.
All right, I fuck with it. You got the fresh cut and everything. Okay, let me see the back. I like it cut, G.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh god! Run! Run! Oh my god! Oh my god, the train! Oh my god! Oh fuck! Run! Run! Oh my god!
Alright, I just got fucking shot at, but holy dude. This is not even funny. I hate. That was a gun. That was a gun. Nah. Who the fuck? You're fucking joking.